Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone 14 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and click on add new wallpaper. And as you can see, you have several options since we've got iOS 16, so you can pick emoji wallpaper, weather wallpaper, astronomy wallpaper, color wallpaper, pride wallpaper. Here we've got the options, like more options of them, but also you can use some of your own photos. You can create photo shuffle, then you've got all of the rest, so emoji, weather, and so on. So let me choose, for example, emoji wallpaper, this one. I would like to personalize it a bit, so you can add here up to 6 emojis. Let me add here, for example, notes, and then you can select the layout. So if you will slide from right to left, you can pick a small grid, medium grid, large grid. Then there's also there's also rings and spiral. So just pick the one that you wish to have. I will go with this one, and then just click on add. Then select if you want to set this a pair for both lock and home screens, or if you would like to customize home screen by itself. So here you can do it. You can blur it, you can leave it active, you can put it the color only, but I would like to leave it this way. So then just click on done, and let's go back to settings, and from now on you've got this brand new wallpaper on both home and lock screen. You can also change your wallpaper from your lock screen only. You just need to grab your phone, hold your finger for a while here. Okay, I don't have my Face ID, so I will provide the pattern. And here you can customize it also, so you can pick one from the previous wallpapers, you can customize it and then do the same stuff that we did previously. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can change your, let me just go back. So we would like to stay with this one. So this is it, this is how you can personalize wallpaper for your lock and home screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.